Twist of modern warfare, one of India's most advanced weapons, the Skalp cruise missile, was intercepted mid-air by Pakistan. This isn't just any missile. The Skalp, also known as Storm Shadow in the UK, is a stealthy, low-flying, long-range killer co-developed by France and Britain. Its job, sneak in under radar and take out hardened targets with surgical precision. With a strike range of over 560 kilometer terrain-hugging flight and infrared guidance, it's nearly impossible to stop. Once fired, it's fire and forget. No further guidance needed. It carries a two-stage warhead designed to blast through bunkers, air bases, radar stations and command centers. And yes, India loaded it onto Rafale jets as part of a massive $7.8 billion deal with France. But here's where it gets crazy. On May 7th, 2025, under Operation Sindoor, India launched these missiles into Pakistan. The goal, hit strategic assets deep inside the country. Yet, Pakistan's air defense lit up. Somewhere near Sargodha, a Skalp missile was blown out of the sky before reaching its target. The wreckage, found 37 kilometers from a major PAF airbase. From engine parts to the warhead remains, all signs confirmed. This was India's prized missile, intercepted. While it's still unclear whether HQ-7, HQ-6 or HQ-9 systems got the kill, these Chinese-origin systems cover short, medium and long ranges, capable of targeting anything from jets to cruise missiles. This interception wasn't just tactical, it was symbolic. Pakistan claims it's now proven it can shoot down even the most advanced Western tech, whether French, Russian or Israeli. And in a region where every move is watched, this was a bold counterstrike, challenging India's deep strike dominance. So what's next in South Asia's shadow war? One thing's clear, missiles aren't invincible anymore.